Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video we will learn about how to answer this interview question, which is which test we cannot automate. What type of test which we cannot automate? That is the interview question. Then how will you answer this question? The answer would be the first kind of test cases which we cannot automate is user experience related test cases which we cannot automate. It could be usability related test cases, user experience related or user behavior related test cases we cannot automate because the automation tools cannot mimic the user behavior. Because of that, the UX related test cases definitely we should not identify for automation. And the second type of test cases which we should not pick for automation is ad hoc testing or exploratory testing. This ad hoc and exploratory testing, without we are writing actual manual test cases, we directly go and execute these ad hoc and exploratory testing. Because of that, we should not automate these test cases as well. After executing certain type of test cases where the automation tool completely gives false positive results, when there is a false positive results, then that kind of test cases we should not bring into the automation, because if there is a false positive results given by the automation tool, then definitely we have to get validated again from the manual testing team. Because of that, we should not pick this kind of test cases also for automation. Fourth type of test cases are the tests that are run only once or twice in their lifetime of the application. Then that type of test cases also we should not automate, because while automating we should also consider the return of investment. If there is a return of investment is zero, because after I do once execution, I may not be using the test case again, then no need to bring automation in those space as well. And the next type of test cases which we cannot automate is certain type of test cases we cannot predict the expected results. Then definitely we cannot automate those test cases as well. The next one is the test cases that does not add any value or there are no return of investment. Then those type of test cases also which we should not bring it to the automation. Last one is whenever we try to automate any test cases, we should identify whether the test case is very critical or very important, that brings lot of return of investment, lot of value. Only those test cases we should automate, otherwise we should not go for automation. Even if you are fine for executing those test cases manually, still holds good. So these are the certain important scenarios or important test cases we should not bring it to the automation. This is how you should explain in your interview.